Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new here. Today I have some exciting nail mail, and today's nail mail is from Kande Dips. So we have the first sneak peek of the new Kande Dips starter box. So you can get a starter kit. So I'm going to go through everything that comes in the box. You have all these lovely little crinkles, and of course in all the candy colors, pinks and rose golds. So you get your choice of dip liquids or gel liquids. So she sent me the dip liquids in this case. So I got get off of me. I got a dip base. And so there's the dip base. A dip top. Chuck those out of the way. Oh, these are double bagged. Extra secure. An activator. And a brush saver. Just in case you accidentally harden any of your brushes, you can put them in here and let them sit for a little bit and it'll save your brush, as it says. And now we're going to get into the goodie part of the bag. So you get this adorable little, is this leopard or cheetah? I never know the difference. This really cute pink, it's a light pink animal print bag. Super cute. And then inside, oh, look at all the goodies. So you get a little buffing block. You get this gorgeous duster brush. It's nice and big and fluffy. Ooh, look at that. I love that. She's very fluffy. And then you get a normal file. This is, I believe, called a banana file. Is that what that's called? 100 by 180, double-sided. You get some swatch sticks. I didn't know these came with swatch sticks. That's fun. So you get 3 swatch sticks and you get a little like cuticle pusher stick. So let me get that open. ASMR with the crinkles. So you get 3 swatch sticks and you get one of these little cuticle pusher sticks in a cute little pink. What else is in here? You get a little stiff brush to dust off all your powders. You get some, oh, let's get them open, some pink lint-free wipes. These are really handy to have while you're working if you need to wipe your brush off so you don't contaminate your dip liquids, or if you need to use some alcohol to wipe your nails off. Those are always handy to have. You also get alcohol prep pads, another must when you're doing your nail prep. Helps keep oils off of your nails, lets your dip last longer, and your liquids don't get contaminated as easily. And then you also get 3 dip colors. So for this one, she sent me rose, a gorgeous nudie pink, very shimmery. Rose dust, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous fine rose gold shimmer. Ugh, this one, I want to eat it. It's so beautiful. Get to shine. Can you see the shine in the lid? Ooh. And then finally, you get a crystal clear, which you definitely need to encapsulate your dips if you would like to protect them. It saves them from getting scratched up, especially your glitters when you're filing and buffing. And it also helps build strength on the nail if you need extra strength. So that is everything that you get. I'm going to pull everything out here. Everything you get in the starter kit. Remember, you get your preferred set of liquids. And you get all of these goodies to swatch your dips. And everything that you need to do an entire mani, all from Kande Dips. I will put up on the screen if there are different color options, what the pricing for these are going to be, and I will link below where you can get these starter kits and when they'll be available. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you love these. In the next video, I am going to use all of these items to show you how to do a nail set on some press-ons. So stay tuned for that. Thank you again so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so I can see you around for future videos. Bye guys.